Ever wonder what really goes on behind those shiny airport walls? It's not just overpriced coffee and moving walkways. Airports are full of secrets. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on 10 airport secrets airlines hope you never find out. Stick around for a bonus tip at the end. From hidden surveillance to the real reason your flight is on time, these secrets will change how you see airports forever. Number 1. You're being watched everywhere. Let's start with surveillance. In today's world, it's almost impossible to escape the watchful eyes of security systems. From the moment you step into a public space, you're likely being monitored in some way. Those cameras on the ceiling? They're not just there for show. They are part of a complex network designed to ensure safety and security. Just the beginning. Airports are particularly dense with surveillance technology, creating a web of observation that tracks your every move. Many seating areas are actually surveillance hotspots, strategically placed to maximize visibility. These cameras are giving security a perfect, unobstructed view of you and your belongings, allowing them to monitor for any suspicious activity. High-definition cameras, with facial recognition capabilities, are becoming increasingly common, adding another layer of scrutiny. And even microphones are used to monitor for stress or suspicious behavior, analyzing not just what you say, but how you say it. That heated phone call or offhand joke about security? It might not seem like a big deal, but in the context of heightened security, these things can be easily misinterpreted. It could get you flagged for extra screening, leading to delays and unwanted attention. The walls have ears, literally. Modern surveillance extends beyond cameras, incorporating audio monitoring to capture conversations and ambient sounds. Stay calm, be polite, even if you're feeling stressed or frustrated, and keep frustrations to yourself, avoiding any outbursts or negative comments that could draw unwanted scrutiny until you're out of the airport. Once you've left the premises, you can finally relax a bit. Every action is being recorded and analyzed, feeding into sophisticated algorithms that are designed to detect anomalies and potential threats. Your quiet compliance is the easiest way to avoid unwanted attention and ensure a smooth passage through security. Remember, you're always on stage at the airport. Every move you make, every word you speak is potentially being watched and evaluated. Number 2. Don't drink this water. Those airport water fountains? Avoid them. Studies show they're some of the germiest surfaces in the terminal, often dirtier than toilet seats. Cleaning is infrequent, and you never know who used it before you. Bring an empty bottle and fill it at a restaurant or buy a sealed bottle instead. It's a small price to pay to avoid a nasty bug on your trip. Stay safe. Skip the fountain. Number 3. Airlines staff is always watching. That friendly gate agent with their welcoming smile, or the ever-attentive flight attendant. They're more than just friendly faces. They're trained observers, skilled at noticing subtle cues and behaviors. They're not just customer service reps offering assistance. They're also key components of the safety and security measures in place. Every airline employee, from the baggage handler to the pilot, is watching for red flag behaviors, anything that deviates from the norm. This includes obvious signs like intoxication, visible anxiety, or anything unusual that might warrant further attention. Even casual conversation, seemingly innocuous, can be a subtle test, a way to gather more information. It's all part of the process to gauge your state of mind and ensure the safety of everyone on board. On board, flight attendants note who might help in emergencies, identifying passengers who appear capable and willing to assist, and conversely, who might cause trouble, potentially disrupting the flight. Their smiles are genuine, a part of their customer service training, but their eyes are always scanning, observing, and assessing. Being polite and calm, showing respect for the crew and other passengers, isn't just good manners, it's a smart travel strategy. It's your ticket to a smooth journey, free from unnecessary scrutiny. Remember, you're being assessed from check-in to landing, so be mindful of your behavior. Number 4. Your luggage gets a sci-fi scan. Once you check your bag, it goes through a high-tech screening process. Bags travel through explosive detection systems. Think medical CT scanners for your suitcase. Automated systems flag anything suspicious, and only a tiny fraction of bags are ever opened. While you wait at the gate, your luggage is being scanned from every angle for safety. It's a hidden world of technology working to keep you safe. Your bag's journey is more high-tech than you think. Number 5. The Overbooking Gamble. Airlines routinely overbook flights, selling more tickets than seats. It's a calculated gamble. Most of the time, not everyone shows up. When everyone does, you'll hear the call for volunteers to take a later flight, often for vouchers. If not enough people volunteer, someone gets bumped. Usually those who checked in last. Check in early to avoid being bumped. Overbooking maximizes airline profits, but it can ruin your plans. It's a numbers game, and you're part of the equation. Know your rights and check in as soon as possible. Number 6. The ATM Money Trap. Airport ATMs are notorious for high fees and bad exchange rates. Third-party machines tack on extra charges and use dynamic currency conversion to profit from your withdrawal. Always choose to be charged in local currency, not your home currency. Better yet, skip airport ATMs and use a Citibank ATM or order currency before you travel. Don't let convenience cost you. Plan ahead and save money. Your wallet will thank you. Number 7. Your seat is dirtier than you think. Your airplane seat is rarely sanitized between flights. Tray tables, armrests, seatbelt buckles, and seatback pockets are hot spots for germs, often dirtier than the lavatory. Cleaning crews have little time, so most surfaces are barely wiped down. Bring sanitizing wipes and clean everything you'll touch before you settle in. It might seem excessive, but it's your best defense. Stay healthy by taking matters into your own hands. Don't trust that your seat is clean. Number 8. The Secret Life of Lost Luggage. Lost luggage isn't trashed, it's auctioned off after about 90 days. Unclaimed bags are sold to places like the Unclaimed Baggage Center, where their contents are resold. You could find anything from clothes to rare treasures. Always put your contact info inside and outside your bag. It's your best shot at getting your stuff back. Don't let your belongings end up on a sale rack. Number 9. The lie of on-time flights. On time doesn't always mean what you think. Airlines pad flight times to boost their stats, so you might sit on the tarmac but still arrive early. It's a clever manipulation that makes airlines look better than they are. Next time your pilot announces an early arrival, remember, it's all in the schedule. Your real travel time is often longer than advertised. Don't be fooled by the numbers. Number 10. The mystery of ghost flights. Ever see a nearly empty plane take off? You might have spotted a ghost flight. Airlines fly empty planes to keep valuable airport slots, even if it wastes fuel and money. It's a bizarre industry rule. Use it or lose it. Ghost flights are controversial for their environmental impact. Airlines are working to change the rules, but it still happens. Next time you see an empty jet, it might just be holding its place in line. Sometimes, business beats logic. Now you know the secrets. Use them. This knowledge turns you from a passive passenger into an informed traveler. Next time you fly, you'll spot the tricks, dodge the traps, and travel smarter. And here's your bonus tip. Skip the first bathroom after arrivals. It's always the dirtiest. Walk a little further for a cleaner, quieter restroom. If you learned something new, hit like and subscribe for more secrets every week. Until next time, travel smart, earn more, and live free.